Automate your trading experience using Binogator. We have provided enhanced features to enable you bring your strategies to life and make profit by the click of a button. Let us have an overview of the Binogator interface. First, you start by authorizing the bot here. Once you're logged in, you can run the bot. In this section is the market and chart parameters. Select the market and range you want the bot to analyze. You can switch to a different chart type here, depending on the contract type you wish to analyze. This is the single tug chart, and price line charts, and then the digits chart. When viewing the price line chart, use this block to view barriers on the line chart by setting the offsets. To apply indicators on the chart, tap the indicator button. If you want to know about a parameter, tap the info button beside it for a brief summary of what it does. This section over here is where you handle the bot settings. You have the ability to save your strategy by clicking the Save button here. When you save, the strategy can be found in the Archives tab, where you can load, download, or delete it. You can also add notes to your strategy as a trading guide through this button. The main strategy and alt strategy tabs are where you set up your conditions for contract entry. The main strategy holds the default conditions, but you can also set the bot to switch between strategies. More on that soon. When you run the bot, this section is where you view the stats and transactions logs. Use the Reset button to clear the stats and logs. When there is a network glitch whereby the bot halts, use the Reconnect button to attempt a manual reconnection. Now let us look at how we can apply the bot settings. First, in the Setup tab, we set the parameters for our session, such as initial stake, target profit, and martingale. There are also advanced parameters, such as virtual pass and strategy switching. By default, the bot executes the conditions in the main strategy. However, when enabled, strategy switching allows the bot to switch between the main and alternative strategy at given intervals. Let us set up our first strategy. In the Strategy tab, we choose a trade type, set what conditions to be met, and then select our preferred contract type. So, here we are instructing the bot that, if all conditions are met, the bot should enter a rise contract. You may set other parameters too, such as the duration. Then, down here we have a pool of condition blocks to select conditions from. Since we currently have no condition blocks selected, if we run the bot, it will start purchasing rise contracts straight away, because there are no conditions to be met. But if we select one or two condition blocks like this, then we are instructing the bot that if all of the selected conditions are met, or if any of the selected conditions are met, it should enter a rise contract. Tap the buttons on any selected condition block to remove or mute it. If a condition block is removed or muted, the bot will ignore that condition. Use the search bar to find blocks relevant to your plan. And you can do all these in the Alternative Strategy tab too. However, the bot will always only run the main strategy, unless strategy switching is enabled in the Setup tab. Do you have any questions about using Binogator bot? Leave a comment, or join Binogator social channels in the video description. Send us a message for guaranteed support. Happy trading!